This fried potato with cheese, you don't want to miss this recipe. They are so delicious. Madonnas, let's dive into these ingredients and me tell you what I need to try it. So I'm gonna use cheese, onion, carrot, potato, scallion, flour right now. Okay, so I peel and wash the potatoes. Then I'm just going to use the medium-sized grater to grate the potatoes. So I did both carrot and potato on the same side. Now I'm going to chop the scallion and the onion. So I'm going to use some parsley. It was in the freezer, so it's not greened. Normally for this recipe, I would use cheddar cheese. But I didn't have any, so I'm just cutting up the cheese and just use it like the same thing. Guys, these are so good. So I'm just gonna mix everything into a bowl and just follow the steps. Just getting out some of the starch, the water from the potato, because I don't want to add too much flour. So I'm just going to add a little pinch of salt and a little pinch of Maggi, because Maggi flavor my pot so well. Just mixing everything, and then I'm going to add some flour to combine it. I also add an egg in here, but for some reason it wasn't recording, so you didn't get to see that.